If you have missing or bad files found in here and the game not launching after this, then let's fix that problem, guys. So just close stuff here and go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the protection history and select thread found action needed. Select yes option and as you can see the game file is in here. Select the action option and select allow and select yes. And now go to virus and threat protection and select manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes and select add an exclusion and select folder and you just need to navigate to the game installed directory. Select the game installed folder and select folder option and the game has been added to this list. And then just close stuff here and just I click on the game and select open file location and go back to Battlefield 6 and double click on the redist folder and double click on quick SFV and select this file and select open option. And now as you can see all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. If you still has a bad file or missing file, then check my video description for this video link. Uninstall and reinstall the game by following these video steps can fix your problem. If you have other problems, then comment below. I will help you fix it.